Hello, it's John, your pronunciation and accents coach.
And right here you can get a better British accent.
So hello and welcome back to my course on connected speech. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's talk about assimilation. What do we mean by assimilation in connected speech? Remember that when we speak, we want to be as efficient as possible with the sounds that we are using. So, to make life easier, some sounds change into other sounds so that our speech is still fluent. Which of the following sounds more natural? Do we say good boy? Or do we say good boy? Well, number 2 is more natural and is known as assimilation. In this case, the d sound at the end of good changes to a b sound. Tip: it's worth knowing and understanding how fluent speakers use assimilation. This time, let's do some revision. First, look at the following expression. First light. What happens to the final t of first in the expression first light when we say it in connected speech? The answer is it disappears. Say it to make sure you can hear the change. First light. Over to you. Connected speech questions. Task: in the sentences below, you'll see questions and answers. Try saying the phrases. When is a n a m? The answer: 10-pin bowling. 2. When is a t a p? The answer: a bit part. Question: when is a d a b? The answer is good boy. 4. When is a d a g? The answer is good girl. And 5. When is a t a k? The answer is the right key. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Thank you and stay connected.